Morning students, welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. You all know that we are studying lesson number 2, Nani's Walk to the Park. Today we will do some question and answers in your English literature copy. Dear students, today's classwork, you have to do it in your English literature copy. Start the work, students. Dear students, today we will do question and answers from lesson number 2, Nani's Walk to the Park. You will write it in your English literature copy. Right, students? So, we will start the work. Write down classwork, lesson number 2, Nani's Walk to the Park. Exercise C. Answer these questions briefly. Question number 1. When Venki tells Nani that he wants to go with her to the park, why does she pick up her shopping bag? To whom this question has been asked. Venki tells Nani that he wants to go to the park, and at that time why Nani picks up her shopping bag. So the answer is, when Venki told Nani that he wanted to go with her to the park, she picks up her shopping bag and cross the road. That they will go to the lane of treasures for shopping. Why did Nani pick up her bag? She picked up her bag to visit lane of treasures for shopping. Now we will come to question number 2. Question number 2. In what does Venki see a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of his ma's kurta? In which clothes Venki saw a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of his ma's kurta? Answer is, a lady gives Nani a godi, in which Venki saw a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of his ma's kurta. Right, students? Now, question number 3. What is the name of the lane behind the school? What do Nani and Venki see there? The first question is, what is the lane behind the school? And the second question is, what do Nani and Venki see there? So the answer is, it's the lane of mischief. The first answer is that it is the lane of mischief. And second answer is, Nani and Venki saw children are playing Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. Right? So, we will come to the fourth question. Question number 4. What is special about the Lane of Dreams? The answer is, the Lane of Dreams has more books than Venki's school library. Right? Now, fifth one. What does Venki think about when he reaches the park? What does he want to do after that? When they reach the park, it has been a long time since they left home. Venki looked around and thought of all the people and places he has seen in the morning. There were two questions. what does Venki think about when he reaches the park? And the second one was, what does he want to do after that? First answer is, when they reached the park, it has been a long time since they left home. Now, and the second part is, Venki looked around and thought of all the people and places he has seen in the morning. He had seen in the morning. Now write down your homework. Your homework is learn the question and answer of lesson 2, Nani's walk to the park. Dear students, don't write this statement in your classwork copy. Write it down in your school diary or rough copy. Students, do your work in your English literature copy and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. So students, start the work. Students, if you have completed your work, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn all the question and answers of lesson number 2, Nani's walk to the park. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.